Why do you want to put sedums in with your flower garden and your veggie garden? Let's take a closer look. The pollinators of all sorts are just loving the sedum now that it's blooming. It is September here in Michigan. There is so many different kinds of bees on here. This is probably one of their last food sources, along with the other late blooming flowers. Before winter comes, they got to build up enough food to last the winter, so they can come out next year and help to pollinate your flowers and your veggies. There's another one down here. Let's take a look. I'm going to come around the other side. There's even flies. You never think of flies as being a pollinator, but there he is. There are many varieties of sedums. They're pretty much like a succulent, so they're like drought tolerant, they're easy to propagate, and they do come in different colors. Please like, comment, and subscribe.